The phase 3 Momentum study was designed to test momelotinib versus danazol in patients with myelofibrosis who were symptomatic with a high symptom burden and anemic. Only patients with less than 10 grams of hemoglobin could enter in the study. So the Momentum study showed as a primary endpoint that was a response in terms of total symptom score, a very nice and significant improvement compared to danazol, with 23% of patients achieving a response on symptoms versus 3% only in the danazol arm. In addition to this response in terms of symptomatology, we also had a clear improvement in anemia for patients randomized on the momelotinib arm. For example, 31% of patients became transfusion independent after 24 weeks of treatment with momelotinib compared to 20% only after 24 weeks in the danazol arm. In addition, we saw a very nice increase in the baseline hemoglobin rate from around 8% median to around 9.5 median after only 2 to 4 weeks of treatment on momelotinib that remained very stable over the course of the disease. In contrast, in the danazol arm, this increase was much less important, up to less than 9 grams, starting at the same level of around 8 grams, and could recover after the patients switched to momelotinib. That was possible to cross over to the momelotinib arm in the patients who didn't respond to danazol. So altogether, these results led to the approval of the drug in patients with myelofibrosis and anemia. So this is very important because, as I mentioned at the beginning of this discussion, anemia is a real problem for our patients.